So today you guys learned how to complete the square, and there's a lot of steps involved, but the main thing you want to remember is that completing the square has to do with this formula, b over 2 squared. Okay, so keep that in mind. First thing you need to do is get this kind of in the right order. Okay, so the n squared is where it needs to be, but this negative 16n should be over on this side, and that 48 should be over on the other side. So first thing I'm going to do is kind of switch these around. I'm going to minus the 48 over to here, but then at the same time add the 16n to the correct side. So now we have n squared plus 16n equals negative 48. And this is how I taught my class to kind of set it up. I leave a space to complete the square, and just so I don't forget, I'm going to literally draw a square. And now we have to use our formula to get half of this and then square it. So that's the b over 2 squared. So I'm just going to look at this, 16 over 2 squared. So half of 16 is 8. 8 squared is 64. So this is going to create a perfect square trinomial. But if I do something to the left side, I need to equally do it to the right side. So we have a perfect square trinomial. We created it. And the magic number is within all of your work. It's just going to be this 8 squared. So I have a positive 8 being squared, and that n is being squared. So now I have n plus 8 squared equals, we've got to combine these, negative 48 plus 64. I can't think because I'm on the camera. Did I do that right? Yeah. 5, 14, 6, 16. Okay. So now what we created is a problem that we can solve using square roots. So in order to get rid of this squared, we're going to square root both sides, and you get n plus 8 equals plus or minus. This is actually nice. It's a perfect square. Square root of 16 is 4. And now we just have to solve this. Get n alone. We're going to subtract the 8. And you can write it like that, but be careful because you have this negative. So I'm actually going to scoot over here so you can see what I'm going to do. Negative 8 plus or minus 4. I'm going to combine negative 8 plus 4. That's the first piece. And then the negative 8 minus the 4 is the second piece. So our answers are going to be n equals negative 4 and negative 12. Good luck.